Hi all, welcome to Skilltimate. Here we have seen that string reverse, which is for single word, and here we're going to see for string word reverse. Expected output is I'm going to take m equal to input of split. I'm going to split this. Let's check what is the output we will get. So we got this one. So next I'm going to reverse it, and I'm going to print this. You got that. So you want to remove this, I'm going to use star in front of it. It will remove that list. Now we got the proper output. Another method. So instead of using this print star, I'm going to use one more method. X equal to one empty string dot join of m. I'm going to print the x. Now you can see again we got the same output. Instead of using star, also you can try this way, and also I'm going to try one more way. So instead of string reverse, I'm going to do print star m of -1. I'm going to print this. You can see same output we got without the reverse keyword.